Hello. Welcome back to school. Yeah. Okay, that's working. Well, this is going to be a real quick little arithmetic thing. So, what do we do on Monday? I don't know. Wait, Monday was yesterday. That's right. Monday, we finished up written work. Let me flip you over. We finished up a bunch of written work. These are ones that I got wrong, but we did them orally, so I guess they're corrected now. That lesson was okay. That one is wrong. And that, oh yeah, there's a couple there that got wrong. Trying to find today's. Okay, so this, okay, so this is the stuff we did today. So we're dealing with whatever this is. It's a ruler. It's a ruler. I think it was a couple weeks ago we did the inch and the half inch, and then today we did the 1/4 inch. Well, obviously it's all together, but yeah, I don't think I drew at the ruler when I was doing my first with the inches and stuff, but it's there now. I don't know if there's any other marks on there, like a 1/16 of an inch. I don't know. But this is pretty much what we did. We finished up the last 2 lessons. No. This was from yesterday. Yeah, because this is today. Yeah, so we did these 2 lessons yesterday. We just wrote everything up in the book, so everything is all written out. Actually, I think, was this from yesterday? This is from yesterday. These errors were from yesterday. I don't know if I had to... No, I didn't have to copy anything out. It was very nice. But yeah. Now, today, we did this. We did the last 2 lessons in the book. So we're done with the Unit 12. We did recitations and flashcards. And I got a couple wrong in the flashcard section. And I have to copy them out in arithmetic notation or mathematical notation. He says the last 2 are for fun. I don't know how fun it is writing out longhand these problems and then in German. So I'm gonna work through that right now and see what happens. I mean, I could definitely get done with this part. The Latin, let me see how many words I'm gonna have to look up. I'm gonna have to look up 11. I'm gonna have to look up minus, but I think it's like minus or something. 7, I can do. Equals, I could just say est. Now I'm gonna get them confused. Yeah, so basically I just have to look up the word 11 and I think minus. So we'll see how that works. And of course I have to fill in all these answers. So we're gonna do that. We're just gonna write these out, normal, whatever. And then I'll deal with the Latin. So I'm gonna put you down. And I think I did another one of these and I don't think I marked anything. I'm gonna put you here. Oh, let's see if I put you. That's not gonna stay. I put you back against that. I think you should be able to stay there. There. Okay. So, wherever my pen walked off to, I'm gonna turn off the light in the kitchen quick. Oh. Turned off. They both turned off. Okay. So we went through the ones I got wrong. And there were more that I got wrong, but when we went through them again, I got them right. And these were the 3 that I just got wrong. Okay, so since it's the same date as class, I'm just gonna write down homework. Okay, so I only have to do it 10 times. So that is 11 less 7, I think it's 5. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Is it 4? That's not right. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's 4. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Uh-oh. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. I think it's 4, but I don't know. Okay, so we're going to write down 4. And I could, like, pull out the blocks and literally do it with the blocks. Okay, so 11 less 4. No, 11 less 7. I don't even know what I'm writing. Did I put the blocks back? No, I can use the blocks. Yes. The sun is moving around. Okay, so let's pull out the blocks. So we're gonna get a 10 and a 1. Oops. Okay, so we have a 10, and then we need a 7, or is it a 4? I don't know. Is there a 1? I need a 7. 3, 3, 7. That's 7. Okay, so we have 7. Can you guys see that? Oh, I don't know. I don't think you can see that. Let me put it up here on the book. You guys can see it better. Okay, so this is a 10, and that's a 1. 10 and 1 are 11. And then you have a 7. And you put your 7 there. And then you gotta figure out how many more is it to get to 7 or 11. Is it 4? Let's see if it's 4. I think it's 4. Okay. Just like that. So 11 less 7 is 4. Alright, then we put the blocks back so we don't lose any. Oops, that one doesn't go there. That one goes over here. That one goes... Yeah, this one goes in this one. And that one goes in that one. No. Those are brown. This is blue. Okay, so 7 less whatever is 4. $11 less 7 is 4. Okay, so I gotta think, how many times can I write this out across? If I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I could do 2 rows of 5 vertical. Oh no, I think it's horizontal. It's like when you go like this and you don't go like this. It's going like that. That's how I've got it written out. Okay, so then 11 plus 7 is 4. That's 2. This is, whoops, I need 11 less 7, not 11 less 4. For some reason, I got 11 less 4 correct. But I didn't get 11 less 7. 11 less 7 is 4. 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna write this the other way. I'm gonna write this vertical. I think it's gonna be easier. I was hoping I could fit 10 of these or 5 of these on the page, but it's not gonna fit. I'm just gonna erase all these. I'm gonna keep that 11 because that 11 can be used. Okay. So we have all that gone. So then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, and then we're gonna go less 7, less 7, less. These are all less 7s. And then have an equal 4, equal 4, equal 4. All of these 11 less 7 is 4. Okay, then the next one, 11 less 3 is 8. So we're gonna write that out. 11 less 3, that's 1. But technically, I could just like write underneath the problems I already wrote because there's 10 up there. So I don't really need to count anything. 11 less 3. 11 less 3. I'm gonna write in my answer. That wouldn't be good. So we got all of our unit 12, or the unit dealing with 12 is done. So tomorrow we could have a fun day. But it's still going to be arithmetic. think I'm writing with a blue pen, but I don't know. Okay, then the last one is 11 less 8 is 3. I think. 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah. 11 less 8 is 3. It's the complete opposite of the one we just wrote out. Okay, so we have 11 plus 8. Let me just write these out. Okay. I'm going to draw an answer line. We write in our 3 because 11 less 8 is 3, and not whatever I said earlier this morning. Okay, so that is the easy part. Now, because I can, okay, so that's all of that. That's the easy part. Now, I need to look up 11 minus 3, make sure I'm writing this out right, is whatever the numbers are. So, I only know what 10 is. I don't know what 11 is. So it's kind of a nice dictionary. Ooh. Latin verse quality. Okay, so we don't need that. Meters. Okay. I have to go into storage and find a German dictionary. I've got a German dictionary that's falling apart, and that was the one I was looking for. I couldn't find it. Wait, why am I in the A's? I need to be in the L's. But then I found my other German dictionary, so I'll use that when looking up my German words. Make sure I'm spelling them correct. Okay, E-L. Okay, so we have E. Okay, let's move over here. 8. You know what I could probably do? I bet in the middle of this book, they probably have the numbers. But I want to make sure I get the cases and whatever correct. E. Okay. It's over up on this page, probably a low 11th. No. Okay, so here we have 11. It is a noun, and it is undecem. Each is, 11 each, 11 times. Okay, so we're just going to put down undecem. Is that a micron over that? No. It's just a micron over, yeah. Okay, undecem, or undecem. Undecem. Alright, so we're going to write that out. Should probably write this out like on the board or something. Okay. Undecem? That's not right. Darn it, I forgot my J. Okay, whatever. Alright, I'm gonna put you down for a moment. Ouch. I just cut my fingernails. But I can't get the kickstand out. Got it. Okay, put you guys there for now while I get the white out. Write this out. My whiteout is all wonky. Technically, it's not whiteout, it's, I don't know, whiteout tape. There's probably some word for this stuff. That's not the gooey, yucky kind that you gotta wait for it to, 5 years for it to dry. I smeared my ink. Wait, is it undecem or unidecem? I can't see it. Okay, so here we have 11. Where did that go? Whoa. An elf? Deus. Whoa. Learn something new. 11. So it's undecem. Okay. Put you back. Oops. Let me flip you around. Okay. Okay, so we have undecem minus, well, let me see here. Is the verb. How would they write out math equations? Like arithmetic stuff. I think it would be like this and this equals this. I think, yeah. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to do this and this, or this minus this. I need to find a minus. Or I could do subtracted by. Flip you around. Kind of getting hungry. I had some leftovers. Looker. It's some leftovers, but it wasn't enough to really fill me up. Okay, that's O. Okay, here is, I gotta figure out how to spell it. M-I-N-U-S, I think. Minimum. Oh, minimum. That's like literally minister. Minor. Is literally minor. It's an adjective. I had no idea that minor was an adjective. But I guess now that I'm thinking about it, it is an adjective. Okay, minute. Minstrel. Minus. I don't know how to spell this word. That's not good. This is why when people say look it up in a dictionary, it don't work. Minus. I'm pretty sure it's minus. Is it M minus? I'm pretty sure that's it. I'd have to look it up. Minut. Temporis. Minute. Adjective. Oh, that's like 5 minutes? No, that's still a noun. Okay, I'm gonna look under all the M-I-N in English and see what I find. Okay, mild. Okay, well, there's minus, mint. Okay, so that looks like mints. Mind. Minded, mindful. No. I don't even know how to say that word. Minx. I've never even heard of that word. Okay, minus is not in here, so let me look under subtraction. Subtracted by. Ugh. Tables. Okay. S-U-B. Sub. Sub is under. Subdued, subject. Submission. Oh my gosh, that's a long word. Obsequium. Obsequium. That's a masculine though. Neuter. Oh, there's your feminine version. Okay. Submit. Subscribe. Subserve. Subside. I'm still looking up subtraction. S-T. We're getting closer. Okay, oh, that's still S. Okay, subter. But this is subtract. Subtraction. That's a noun. That's like, I don't know what that is a noun. Okay, here's an adjective. Subtraction. Oh no, that's something totally different. Okay, so here we have subtraction. So we need a verb. Like to subtract. Noun, adverb. Is it an No, that's not an adverb. Subtract. That's a verb transitive. I have no idea what that means. I think it means you need something. Okay, so subtract. So we have detrahere, demere. So these must be different forms. Okay, so the next one, I'm assuming this is to subtract money. Let's see what detrahere is. So we go to the Latin side. Detrahere. Okay, so we have dubito. Is that really dubito? Yes. Dubito. Detrahere. Okay. Nope. You at least need to find the first letters of the word. Okay, so we have de, so then we need d'être. Let's see what's over here. Okay, so we got dem, d'être. This is not fun. I hope teacher is enjoying this. Okay, we're getting closer. My eyeball is getting wonky. Detrahere. This. Detre. Deter. Detron. There's a bunch of words. Oh my gosh. There's like a whole bunch of words up here. Detre. Oh, that's I can't tell if that's an. I wonder if that's a typo. I don't know what that thing is. Because we have detra. Hold on. Detractatio. And then you have detractatior. But then you have detractio. That's weird. I really wonder if this is a typo. I don't know. I should ask Magister about that and see. Let me actually take a okay, where is detre? Wait a minute. Detri. Detour. How can you have a word in English and not have it in the Latin side? That doesn't make any sense. I need a post-it to hold this page. One moment. Okay, I'm not gonna go looking through all that again. Now back to this. zoom in on this. I hope the German doesn't take this long, because man. Subtraction. Subtract. Oh, it's Detra. Scheiße. Oh my gosh. Detra Here. Alright, that's probably why it wasn't in the section I was looking for. Okay, so we need Detra Detraho. Detrahere. To draw off, to take away, pull down, to withdraw, to leave, to detract. All right, we're gonna take this word. So it's detraho, detrahere. I'm gonna say it's detrahit because whatever this thing is, third person, wherever my book is. I don't know where my book is. Yeah. Undecem is third person. So we have undecem. Where did that go? Detricto. So detracte. And I don't think that's a long E, but wait. Oh, it's a first conjugation, even better. Okay. I need to memorize how that word is spelled. At least up to the end of the thing. It's right underneath here. Wait, this is detre. We were looking under detra. Detraho. Oh, that is not. Okay, so it's a second. Wait, I'm really confused. Let's stick this right here. I totally covered the word. Okay, detre, but this was detra. I'm pretty sure it said detrao. To decline. To shrink. That's not what, no. 11 is not shrieking from. Okay, detrec. So I have detracto. Okay, so we're gonna memorize that, detracto. because I can decline it relatively, conjugate it easy. Okay, detracto. All of that just for that. I'm gonna put you there for now. Detract. And that's a long A. Okay, detract. Ere. This is an ere. We haven't got to those, but I'm thinking it's gonna be it. Only because of the little bit that I've had in the other, what is it called? Lingua Latina. Okay, so 11 is being taken. No, 11 takes away 7. Now 7 is, let me think here. 11 takes 7. So 7 is gonna be in, I don't think they decline. I don't think 7 declines. So it would be like unus, duo, tres, quator, quinque, sex, septem. I think it's just septem. Okay, so we got the first part, septem. How do I say, what am I writing? 4. Quator. Gosh, I can never spell that word. There should be like a number thing in here somewhere. Oh my gosh. Oh, here's numbers. Yay. I know it's like quator, but I don't know how to spell it. Okay. Luckily, I don't have to write these out in Roman numerals. He says that's too easy. Okay. Quateri... Oh, whoa. Wait a minute. That's... What is that? That's not what I'm looking for. Descriptive. I don't need descriptive. Adverb? No, I don't need that. Adverb. What are they called? They're like cardinal numbers. Aren't they ordinal numbers? Okay. We're getting closer. Numbers. 2 pages for numbers. Cardinal numbers. Okay, so we have unus, duo, tres. Here it is. Quattuor. Quattuor. That's a mouthful. Quattuor. Okay. Quattuor. Okay, we're gonna put you there. And write this out. No, we could go est. Uh-oh. Sum est. I hope this word fits. Like, barely. Alright, I gotta move est over just a little to the left. Otherwise, my R will not fit. I need to get my R to fit. Okay. Okay, est quat tu. I wrote it wrong again. I need an O, not an O. We're gonna get this done. My light went away. My light went away. I can't see. My light is gone. We're just gonna take out the whole word then. Let's see. I started at Is it really 1 o'clock? It's like just before, it's like 10 before 1. Okay, so I need to get this back. Est quator. Okay, now I've written it out 9 more times. Okay, and I need better light because this light is not working. Okay, so undecam detracted septem est qua to I totally messed this up. It should be quatu. Put down quatu. I'm looking for my way out. Okay, so we're gonna go there. Go there. Go there. And I just remembered I still have 3 more problems. No, 2 more problems right now. Okay, so this is what to. Okay. So that's 2. Do you guys want to watch me write this? I'd have to get my music stand. My head might be in your way, so I don't think it'd really be worth watching. My head would be in your way. Undecem I almost need to like be over here. We're gonna move you guys because there's like so much better light over here. I'm gonna set you over here next to lyric. Okay. There you go. I think you can see. I can't see what you can see. That's okay. Well, you can't see everything I'm writing, but I can move some of this stuff so you can see better. So let's move the dictionary. And let's, oh, we got the blocks here. We need to move the blocks. All of this, part of another project I was working on. Well, I'm still working on it. Alright, I think we got everything organized. I just need my pen. Dictionary can stay there. Alright, now I can write this out and hopefully, yeah, I can see much better when I'm writing. I'm gonna fix this though because my diction doesn't look right. Unde looks fine, but the rest of the word diction isn't right. Okay. Okay, diction. Detracted septem est quaturo. Okay, I think we got it now. I think we got it. So that's 3 lines, and I think we got it down. Okay. Undecem. Detracted. It's not detracted. It's detre. I think it's detre. Detracted. Septem. It's weird putting the est here. Est. Quaturo. Quaturo. Okay. Undecem. I think this is going to take a while. Detracted. Septem. Est. Quaturo. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, quinque, okay. Undecem. Detracted. Septem. Est. Quattuor. Okay. Undecem. Detracted. Septem. Est. Quatuor. Quatuor. That's hard. Quatuor. 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 Ur. Ur. Is that a diphthong? Quatuor. It's not quatuor. That'd be without the O. Quatuor. I think it's an U-er. U-ur. U-ur. Okay. Undecem. Undecem. Detracted. Septem. Est. Quatuor. Undecem. Detracted. Septem. Est. Quatuor. Unus, duo, tres, quator, quinque, septem, sex, septem, octem, novem, or nonem. Novem is a different word. Unus, duo, tres, quator, quinque, sex, septem, octem, nonem. Decem. Undecem. Undecem. Detracted. Septem. Est. Quatuor. Okay. I'm gonna fix that S on septem. I keep losing my things. Not very good. We're gonna fix the whole set. Okay, we're gonna take it. All right. Good thing is, I don't have to look up what the number for 11 is, and I don't have to look up for the number for duo, octo. No, I think I could just write out the rest of these. Oh, probably make something to eat. This might be part 1. Let's see. What do we have? Ooh, that's really close. Okay. If he thinks this is fun, this is not fun. I'm gonna let this be. I'm gonna come back for part 2 after I eat some food. I have horrible news. 1, there is a misspelling in my dictionary. I had it confirmed. 2, this word, détected, is not correct. On top of that, it's not even the correct ending. It should be like ought, because it's a first declension or first conjugation and not a second conjugation. So, I need to write the correct word, which is in here, and it is a third conjugation. I don't know anything about third conjugations. Detrajo, detrahere, detraxit, detractum. This is the closest one to subtraction I could find. I could possibly use detracto, detractare, but it would kind of be weird in translation. It wouldn't be correct. It just wouldn't be correct. So I have to write this out using detrajo. And apparently there's only one H, so ho would become, I think it's like his, heat, himus, whatever, however this thing conjugates, because I don't know how it conjugates. I did find a conjugation table on my favorite website, so I'll put that here. And yeah, I'll just have to white out everything that I've worked on and redo my work, at least with this verb, and make that correct. Please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget, ring the notification bell for all notifications.